Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Luis Stack, and in this video I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing and review. And in this one, it's a highly anticipated one by me. It's been a minute since I got this. Probably got this about last month, and I haven't showed you guys because I've been working on the other videos and getting my quality up. So in this video, we got the Glock 43X MOS. So let's jump right into it. As you see, it comes in this nice Glock box. The big G and the lock in the middle, G lock, as we say in the hood. But anyways, let's see right here what it says right here. It's a G43X. That's the serial number. I don't think it matters if y'all see that. I don't know. It says it weighs 5.5 pounds. I don't know. Maybe the whole box. As you see, MOS comes with two 10-round magazines. But I'll show you everything that comes in the box right now. Some more writing in the back. You see, paid. It was, what does it say? $5.99. Yes, it did cost me $5.99 for this thing. I know you can get them cheaper online, probably. I don't know, but I thought when I looked them up on the websites for my gun stores around me, they all said $700, $600, around that price for like actual in-store. But if you got them from another site and got them shipped to the FFL, I've seen some for $400, $450, cheaper. But I walked in, I just wanted to go see how much it was in store, and she said there's no extra fee, there's no extra, they're not taxing, none, you know, $5.99. It says $5.99, it's gonna be $5.99. They just had to do what was it, $30 file fee. They had to file my information, my background check, the $30 background check fee. So I'm gonna show y'all that. Y'all see it says new. Yes, this is a new pistol. I was not trying to get no old one, no used one. 9mm Glock pistol. So as you can see, you just got the flip up tabs. Boom, boom. You open it up. Look, comes in a little briefcase box. You got the nice padding, the actual firearm. Let me show y'all in a better angle. So you see, you got the actual firearm, an extra magazine with the magazine, a speed reloader. It comes with the little brush so you could clean the barrel. Very nice, very nice. And it comes with this thing. I had to see other reviews to see this thing. I did not notice this. If you see right here, it pops up. I thought they forgot it in mine. Nope. It comes right here, your little cleaning device. You put this on the end, screw it in, and you got your rod. You put a little what's it called? The little paper you put in here, the little kind to clean up the barrel, to oil up everything. So boom, you got your little cleaning rod, your bore brush. Of course, you got your gun lock, the lock that comes with every gun. If you have firearms, if you have firearm cases, anything, you have a bunch of these. You got the receipt. You see it's faded, so as you see, $5.99 for the Glock 43X MOS, and a $36 fee for the background check. Other than that, that's all you have to go through in Maryland. In Maryland, as long as you have your HQL, that's all you have to go through. But the process is you have to go get your HQL first. You have to take about, I don't know, a 3-hour class. You have to go sit through a class. They train you in gun safety. They take you shooting real quick to see if your aim is up to par. If your aim is terrible, if you're shooting everywhere, if you can't handle a Glock or a gun, anything, they're not gonna give you the HQL. So as long as you sit through the class and and seem like you can hold a gun, then you'll get the HQL. It cost me what, like $200 for the class, and in a couple days you just gotta fill out a paper. You gotta basically say that you're gonna be a firearm holder with the Maryland State Police, and you basically have to register yourself as a firearm holder with the Maryland State Police. And other than that, you're good. But it's not like they investigate you or nothing. Like, they don't really, you just gotta answer the questions, and if everything's good, you're gonna get your HQL in the mail or however you get it. I got mine through the email. It's just a little PDF form. It's just a form that I got put up on my phone with a number, and they ask you for that number when you go get a Glock. That's the first time I had to use it. So whenever you go get a firearm, they'll ask you for your HQL number, and that's only for handguns. HQL stands for Handgun Qualification License. So once you get that, you can go get whatever handgun you want. In Maryland, you do not need an HQL, or you do not need nothing for a rifle. A rifle, you can go in there at 18. A shotgun, a long gun, you can go in a gun store at 18, no background check, nothing, and walk out. Actually, they do a background check, but you have to walk, and you can walk out the same day with the firearm. Handguns, in the other case, you have to be 21, have a HQL, pass the background check, and that's basically it. So let me show y'all what else comes in the box. We put the firearm to the side real quick. I didn't check none of this yet. So you got a little paper right here showing you how to take the cover plate off and put on the optic. The Glock MOS system for the slimline. The slimline MOS is cut for a RMSC, a shield RMSC. I've heard that if you put those optics on, you automatically have a co-witness, but I don't know. I wanted to put a hollow sun on mine eventually, but let me know in the comments what you think is better, a hollow sun or a RMSC. I like the RMSC because you automatically have it automatically has coat witness, but at the same time, I'll most likely change the sight anyways to some suppressor or some raised night sights, so it doesn't really matter to me. I know I could just get a little plate for the hollow sun and this will fit. It's gonna be raised a little bit. It's not gonna be flush like this, but it'll be raised a little bit, but by the slightest bit. So I'll probably do that honestly, because the RMSC is about what, $300, $400, when a hollow sun has better features, a better dot, and it's half the price. So I'll probably go with that honestly. So here's your firearm. You got the Glock 43X MOS. The MOS is different from the regular one because it comes with a rail, a light rail, the cut for the optic, and what else? I think that's about it. Yeah, that's it. But I wanted the rail because it's more secure than the one without the rail. I think I'm gonna put a light on it eventually anyways. Like, I want to make this a little Glock Auto. Like, it's gonna be my daily carry, everything. It's gonna be my baby right here, so my main firearm, so I want to trick it out, you know. And the other one, you can only use a TLR6, you know, the one that comes for the trigger guard, to connect it to the trigger guard, the one that you use for the Glock 26. But come on now, I need a rail. Come on now. So eventually, yes, I'm gonna put a light on it, an optic, maybe a barrel, a threaded barrel, some raised night sights, a mag well, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep the OEM magazines though, because they said that the Shield Arms has problems. I heard too much stuff about the Shield Arms ones, but everybody has a different experience with them, so I don't know. But what I am also gonna do is I'm gonna definitely put a raised mag extension here, a raised mag catch. So raised mag release button, because do you see this? This is flush basically. And let me set up the camera again. when you go to try to press the mag release button, you literally have to move your finger out the way. You're gonna do that. You're gonna have to do that regardless, because if not, you know, you're impeding the. It's right here. It's not gonna function correctly. But I don't like how I have to change my grip so much to actually like press it, because it's so flush. I mean, it's not bad. I might not change it, but I'd rather have a raised one, because I had a little Glock 26 before and I liked it way better. And this one, you literally got to like move, and it's kind of hard, you know. Like I gotta like press with my thumb. The other one, if it's raised, I could just, you know, press a little bit. Like if it's raised, it'll be just this, rather than a lot of pressure. So as you see, it comes with two 10-round magazines. The shield arms ones have 15 rounds, but they're metal, so you have to change the mag release button and yeah, to a metal one, because or else your mags are gonna get messed up. So me, I'll probably just have this loaded at all times for self-defense, home defense, and eventually in Maryland you need a concealed carry license to carry your firearm around. If you have a rifle, you can carry it around in the car. You can open carry a long gun supposedly, but nobody does that because the police will harass you about that. But if you know your stuff, if you talk to them, if they know their stuff, they'll let you be free, because you're not breaking the law by doing that. But you cannot open carry or just carry a handgun in Maryland like that, because you need your concealed carry license. Before, it used to be so hard to get it, but that's why I want to get one so bad right now, because right now it's kind of easy. Before, you needed a reason. You needed to be in threat. You need to have a threat of your life. You need to be in, like, your life needs to be in danger, basically. And you have to report it with the police, so then they have to authorize you to get a concealed carry or let you have one. Now you can have it for self-defense, for home defense, for just carrying it around defense. So I love that. And that came with the New York case, where they did that in New York. Like in the last states, you needed reasons, like crazy reasons, to have a concealed carry license, and now they changed that in most states, so you can just get it for defense. So we'll be getting that. And let's get back into the firearms. So I don't really like how it's so gray at the top. I wish it was blacker. Like I've seen others and they said theirs was really black, but I don't know. Mine seems gray for some reason, like a dull gray. Like you see the plate is way more black than the actual slide, but oh well. Oh yeah, it comes with the front serrations too. I don't know if the actual 43 comes with that, but the X does. And boom. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first actual firearm from the store, like new firearm, and I did not know this shit was gonna be this stiff. Like, why is it so stiff? I see other people like just rack it. This one is pretty stiff compared to the little Glock 26 I used to have. It was a P80 Glock 26. I made it before all the little stuff happened, all the cases and everything happened. So I don't have it no more, but I actually do. I just don't have it around because you can't. So I had it stored up somewhere, and for some reason this is way stiffer than that. Like, but yeah, eventually I'm gonna get some raised nice sights. That's probably gonna be the first upgrade, and after this y'all will see me go to the gun range and fire it. That's probably gonna be in a later video. I'll show you guys me firing it. In this video, it's just the unboxing. I'm showing you guys what's up with it. And yeah, that's really all that comes in the box. And I do like the grip. A lot of people don't like the grips, the Gen 5 grips or whatever like that, because it doesn't have the finger grooves. I don't like the finger grooves. I like this. It fits so perfect in your hand. I went to the gun store, right, and I told the clerk, let me see the 43X, the 26, and the P365 macro. So When I held this, I've always held the Glock 26, right? And I always had the magazine extension for it, but I didn't like how the magazine just flopped around a little bit. It would flop around a little bit. I did like it though. I like how it was. But once I held this, I held the Glock 26 without the mag extension over there first. It just felt like a little, like, you know, my pinky not going on it. It felt just thick. Felt like a little sausage, honestly. But this, once you put your hands on this, especially if you have small hands like me, I'm only like 5'4", 5'5", something like that. So once you held this, yo, this is just made for small hands. Like, it just fits perfect. And then you could put this in your pocket. Like, you could literally put this in your pocket. Let me show you. I got on shorts right now. You could literally put this in your pocket. And like you see, like it looks like a phone. Like, you can't even see it. And I'm a small dude, so come on now. It's a must-have for concealed carry. I seen the X macro, right? I held that one too. It felt really good in your hand too, but I've heard too much problems about SIG going off on themselves, and I don't need that. I don't got money for that, you know. I need a reliable concealed carry, one that I could just have for now, how it is stock, and then upgrade it as I get the money to upgrade it. And that's what this is. Like, this is the perfect bang for your buck, in my opinion. So you also get some papers in here. I already know what's in here. I'm not gonna open it. Oh well. I know my gun safety, you know. But yeah, that's my review. Well, unboxing on the Glock 43X MOS. And the next video, you guys will see me shooting this. In the upcoming video, you will see me shooting at the gun range. You're gonna see me being John Wick out here. You will see. And I do need a holster for this because I want to conceal carry it. So in Maryland, to get the concealed carry, also you need to go through a class, a longer class. You got pay. And that's about it though. But I need a holster. I need to go to the class. The next steps is going to the class for it and getting a holster. But I don't want to get a holster too soon. I mean, I do, but I want to put a light on it. I want the TLR 8 light on it, but TLR 8 sub, but there's no holsters for it. There's literally no holsters for it. There is, but it's by an unknown company. I want a T-Rex arms holster or a tier 1 concealed. And for some reason, for the Glock MOS with the rare, they only make them for no light. The TLR 7 sub, which is just a light. I want the TLR 8 sub because it has the light and the green beam, or laser, red beam, whatever you want. And they have another one for the XRC, I think it's called. But those are only lights. I want a light and laser combo. So I'll probably just rock it like this for now. I'll probably just get a holster like for the stock one right now. Just a cheap one, and then once I trick it out and everything, I'll get the expensive tier 1, all that. You'll see all the videos on that. Y'all see everything I get for this. But for now, it's gonna stay loaded in the case by my bedside until I go to the gun range. So thank y'all for watching my video. More content coming soon, more gun videos, gameplays, unboxings, reviews, anything, everything. Tell y'all. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all thought in the comments. I know my little speech, y'all gonna talk a lot about my speech in the comments, but oh well, I'm getting better at this, man. I say but, I lose my words too much. Oh well, deal with it. Go ahead, subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Bye.